Good morning, kiddos. Today for homeroom, you are going to work on plural forms of nouns. And so these are all irregular plural forms. And so what you will do is you will write the plural form here, and then it's automatically going to create this cool hidden picture over here. So let me show you. So the plural form of mouse is mice. So you're going to type mice into the column, and when you click out of the column, it's going to add to the picture. The plural form of person is people. So once you type in people and you click out, it will add to the picture. So you will continue to do that all the way down until it creates the hidden picture for you, and then you will submit that for your assignment. All right, good luck. Have fun.